Sweet Jesus. We've got some work to do. Some serious work. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we are going to be trying to save this PC's life. Trying to breathe new life into this PC. You guys saw how dirty this thing is. It's probably the dirtiest PC I've ever personally seen. And guys, we're going to be trying to breathe new life into it, trying to get it cleaned up and fixed up. Now guys, if you happen to catch my most recent video where I did a teardown of the 1080 Ti, I put new thermal pads in it, new thermal paste, and I briefly talked about how, well, this belonged to my buddy, and he was having some temperature issues, had some thermal throttling, frames dropping, stuff like that, guys. And I believe that we have located the source of the issue. I believe that he just wasn't getting any air coming into his PC, and well, of course that would make stuff drop and have some problems and do some thermal throttling. But guys, we're going to get it cleaned up. We're going to get it fixed up, and it's going to be working again. But we're also going to up the ante, because my buddy also talked about taking this PC and trying to give it to his son. So we're going to beat him to the punch, and we're going to take his 1080 Ti and do a little bit of upgrading, a little razzle daddle, and surprise him with a PC of his own, so his son can have this PC cleaned up, of course. So let's do that. Gonna need that, and we are definitely not using this in the house. So let's take this to the garage. Okay. Well, that was without a doubt the dirtiest PC that I have ever cleaned. Ever. That was bad. And now that it's cleaned and it's ready for his son to be able to play Roblox on, well, now we can build the surprise PC for him. So, let's do it. Okay guys, so this is what I'm thinking. I know he planned on using the 1080 Ti in the PC he was gonna build himself, and have his son use integrated graphics for Roblox or whatever. So we're gonna just use this graphics card in the PC we're gonna build him today, and then use other stuff we have in our inventory. I have a 500 gigabyte SSD, a 1TB M.2 from Samsung, a B550 motherboard, a 5600X, a H150i Pro from Corsair AIO, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3600 megahertz, a Lee & Lee Cool 2 case, and some Asia Horse white fans. I think you'll like it. At least you better. Get something free like this, you better freaking like it. So let's build it. Okay guys, build is done. My buddy should be here in a couple hours to pick up what he thinks is just that PC, but today he's taking home too, and I'll let you guys see his reaction. I need to cut my grass. Y'all got a truck?
Yep.
Why don't y'all bring the SUV?
Liam wanted to drive the truck.
Wanted to ride.
Oh, okay. So you making the rules.
You make the
Yep.
calls.
You calling the shots.
In the
Okay.
truck.
All right. I don't think you're gonna be able to recognize this PC.
Clean, huh?
It's pretty clean. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that boy.
Okay.
Okay. You might be able to eat in there now. Nah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. But we ain't here for that. We ain't here for that. We did a thing. I'm gonna let you do that. I'm gonna let you do that. I'm holding the camera.
What that is?
That's your new PC, my boy.
What you mean?
That's your new PC, my boy.
Okay.
That boy's clean. So I just took a bunch of stuff that I had from the house already.
But this is my GPU, right?
Yeah, but that's your GPU. So you said you were gonna use integrated graphics for that. So I just
For the time. Actually, I think I have an extra one.
an extra GPU.
Yeah.
Boy, you're gonna be able to do whatever you want now.
Boy.
Boy.
So that looks like a brand new GPU there.
Yeah,
You did a number on that thing.
I cleaned that boy up.
Shoot.
I didn't know those. You don't get what?
Hey, you wanna see your computer?
Look, this is yours, Bubba.
Liam, look.
Liam,
This is your computer.
that's yours.
Not from ours.
I ain't worried about that right now.
You don't even care.
Bring me that computer.
Protect the necessities. What's the meme say? The white dads that ain't going nowhere.
We'll see you later. Enjoy.
Appreciate it.
It's a vibe. Well guys, there you have it. If you liked this video, enjoyed the video at all, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. It gives me the opportunity and the chance to do stuff like that and help people out. So please like, subscribe, join the community. I'd appreciate it. It'd be great. So yeah, subscribe.